Would you trust a machine to run your country, or raise your child, or decide if you deserve a job? What if I told you the smartest being on Earth might soon not be human? We've ruled this planet for millennia, building cities, exploring space, decoding the code of life itself. But now we're creating something that could outthink us, outlearn us, outmaneuver us. Sounds extreme? It's not. It's already happening. So let's rewind time and figure out how we got here. In the animal kingdom, intelligence is a risky investment. Brains burn massive energy. Evolution only favors smarts when the payoff is worth it. Flatworms were early adopters, just a clump of neurons to handle basic tasks. Then came more complex life, fish with vision, birds with navigation, octopuses solving puzzles. But intelligence remained narrow. Species evolved specific skills for specific needs, nothing more. Then, about 7 million years ago, something changed. Our ancestors, the hominins, started growing brains disproportionately large for their bodies. We're still not sure why, but that change paved the way for a different kind of intelligence. With bigger brains came new tools, literally. Early humans shaped stones, used fire, and began hunting in coordinated groups. That wasn't just survival, that was planning. And it marked the beginning of cumulative knowledge, passing down skills, sharing stories, building on what came before. We created language, communities, myths, eventually agriculture and trade. And most importantly, we stored our knowledge, first through memory, then in writing. That changed everything. Unlike instincts, which take millennia to evolve, written knowledge could travel across generations instantly. One person's discovery became another's foundation. We built civilizations, charted the stars, cracked the atom. Science accelerated us, and yet we remained human, bound by biology, by need, by time. But then we started building something not bound by those things. The first AIs were simple rule followers, sorting numbers, mimicking chess moves, solving equations. But they hinted at something deeper. Machines could follow instructions faster than any human ever could. In 1997, an AI beat the world chess champion. It didn't understand the game like we do. It simply calculated better. It wasn't smart, just precise. Still, it was a wake-up call, and the world kept coding. Then came machine learning. Instead of programming every step, we trained machines on data. Let them find patterns, spot anomalies, optimize outcomes. Neural networks, loosely inspired by human brains, became the backbone of this shift. Instead of just solving predefined problems, machines began teaching themselves. Not consciously, but effectively. They could recognize faces, translate languages, write emails, and improve at it every day. In 2016, AlphaGo beat the best Go player in the world. Go has more possible moves than atoms in the universe. And yet the AI, trained through self-play, mastered it. That was a glimpse of what was coming. The real shift came with language. When machines learned to handle language, they stepped into a new realm, our realm. Language is how we reason, collaborate, and imagine. It's what separates us from every other species. Modern AIs like ChatGPT learned from nearly everything written online. They don't understand like we do, but they simulate understanding with astonishing accuracy. They can summarize legal texts, write poems, assist in coding, and even debate philosophy. This isn't just automation, it's augmentation. All current AIs, even the most advanced, are narrow. They excel at specific tasks, translation, image recognition, data prediction. But we humans are generalists. We can switch between logic and emotion, science and art, cooking and conversation. Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI, is a type of AI designed to understand, learn, and solve problems across a wide range of tasks, just like a human would. An AGI wouldn't just follow instructions. It would reason, adapt, and learn any mental task. A digital mind that could rival or surpass human cognition. Some experts believe we're decades away. Others say just a few years. Here's where it gets really interesting. An AGI could potentially improve itself, rewrite its own code, optimize its own algorithms. That creates a loop. Smarter AI makes even smarter AI, fast. We call this the intelligence explosion. It's not sci-fi. It's a serious hypothesis in AI research. Humans took millions of years to evolve modern cognition. Software might leap from toddler to super genius in weeks. And once that explosion begins, we might not be able to stop it. Humans can't be cloned, but software can. Imagine 10 million instances of AGI running simultaneously, all improving themselves, solving global problems, learning in real time. They could cure diseases, model climate change, redesign entire economies. They could become scientists, writers, architects, without ever needing sleep, food, or motivation. But what if their values don't align with ours? What if an AGI optimizes for efficiency and decides humans are inefficient? That's not a horror movie plot. It's a real ethical dilemma. AGI could unlock abundance, eliminate poverty, extend life, or it could create surveillance states, automate war, manipulate elections with precision propaganda, or crash entire financial systems by accident. The danger isn't malevolence, it's indifference. A super-intelligent system pursuing a misaligned goal could cause unintended destruction simply by being too good at its job. That's why alignment and control are the most urgent topics in AI today. We're not ready, not socially, not politically, not morally. Right now, most of the world is unaware of how close we might be. Meanwhile, companies and governments are racing to develop stronger systems, often behind closed doors. We need global cooperation. We need transparency. We need AI that reflects our best values, not our worst instincts. Because once AGI exists, we don't get a second chance to fix it. The future of intelligence isn't just about machines. It's about us, about the choices we make, the systems we build, and whether we take responsibility or just sit back and watch. So, here's the deal. Don't look away. Learn something new. Ask the hard questions. Stay curious. You don't need to be a tech genius. Just start thinking, how should AI be used? What values should we teach it? Who should decide? Because whether AGI becomes humanity's greatest ally or our biggest threat might depend on how we act right now. And hey, what do you think? Would you trust an AGI to make decisions for humanity? Do you think we're ready for what's coming? Let me know in the comments. Let's talk about it.